I am going to the beach. I am going to the beach. I am going to the beach. I can see the ocean. I can see the ocean. I am looking at the waves. I am looking at the waves. I am putting down my beach bag. I am putting down my beach bag. I am taking off my shoes. I am taking off my shoes. I am walking on the sand. I am walking on the sand.
The sand feels warm. The sand feels warm. I am putting on sunscreen. I am putting on sunscreen.
I am wearing my sunglasses. I am wearing my sunglasses.
I am sitting under an umbrella. I am sitting under an umbrella.
I am lying on a beach towel. I am lying on a beach towel.
I am enjoying the sunshine. I am enjoying the sunshine.
I am drinking some water. I am drinking some water. I am reading a book. I am reading a book.
I am walking into the water. I am walking into the water.
The water feels cool. The water feels cool. I am playing in the waves. I am playing in the waves.
I am splashing some water. I am splashing some water.
I am swimming in the ocean. I am swimming in the ocean. I am looking for seashells. I am looking for seashells.
I found a beautiful seashell. I found a beautiful seashell.
I am picking up the seashell. I am picking up the seashell. I am watching the seagulls. I am watching the seagulls.
I am watching the sunset. I am watching the sunset.
I am packing my beach bag. I am packing my beach bag.
I am putting on my shoes. I am putting on my shoes.
I am walking back to my car. I am walking back to my car. I had a great day at the beach. I had a great day at the beach.
I am going home happily. I am going home happily. Learn English with Thai. Learn English with Thai.